So today in this video we shall factorize this expression. So this all has common m plus n. So m plus n is the common and remaining in all these expression in the first a square, in the second plus 7a, in the last plus 12. So now we have to factorize this expression. So first m plus n, and in the second part a square same and 12 is also same. So while factorizing 12 we get 2 times 6 mean 12, 2 times 3 mean 6. So now multiplying within this number we take here 7. So that is 2 times 2 mean 4 and this 3, and 4 plus 3 mean 7. So it becomes plus 4a plus 3a. So 4a plus 3a, it means it is 7a. So now we find out common in these both first expression and these both last expression. So m plus n, it is same, and here common in these both is a. So remaining in the first a plus a already came, so 4. Like as the common in these both is 3. So remaining here 3 already came, so a plus 3 times 4 mean 12. So m plus n, it is same. So now we again find out common in this first and last expression. So both contain a plus 4. So a plus 4 is common, and remaining here a and a plus 3. So these are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.